A design from Mars, it's on your body, on your clothes. I drew a world of color, I drew a beautiful hidden dream. Wildflowers paint your heart with a summer gleam. Your steps tap to the rhythm of the tide, riding waves while your senses glide. Spring breezes whisper secrets in your ear, a vibrant symphony only you can hear. Canvas of denim, blue and radiant red. My brush strokes bringing life to the thread. Whispers of dreams under the fabric seam, colors swirling like a vivid dream. Your steps tap to the rhythm of the tide, riding waves while your senses glide. Spring breezes whisper secrets in your ear, a vibrant symphony only you can hear. Canvas of denim, blue and radiant red. My brush strokes bringing life to the thread. Whispers of dreams under the fabric seam, colors swirling like a vivid dream. Your steps tap to the rhythm of the tide, riding waves while your senses glide. Spring breezes whisper secrets in your ear, a vibrant symphony only you can hear. From mountain tops to sandy shores, this painted world of ours explores. A patch of sky, a drop of sea, in every stitch, a masterpiece. Your steps tap